Here's how I would go viral if I owned a supplement store. And more importantly, how I would convert that traffic into paying customers. You're gonna make this exact same video. Walk through your store, grab some sort of supplement. So that right there, guys, is sugar. Here's why you should be taking it. Now, just go through why they should be taking it. Use your expertise. If you don't know why they should be taking it, first of all, why do you own a supplement store? But you can just read the label. Just literally read the label too and be like, hey, this is what it's for. If you need this, try it. I don't know. Let me know if it works. Then, next, make this video. Guys, this is a block of sugar, and here's why you need to stop having it. Now, simply walk them through why they should never ever have any sugar. That's 2 videos right there. Now, walk through your entire supplement store. Do the exact same thing for every single product and every single brand that you carry. That should be like over 1,000 videos. Things you need to keep in mind. Make sure that you're actually providing your real opinions, your actual opinions about your product. Make sure you're not selling the product. The goal here isn't to sell the product, it's to just provide information. If you hate it, say you hate it. That's really important. Now, how do we convert these viewers into customers? The market will tell you what they want. Whichever videos go the most viral, slap on a promotion, boom, watch everyone come rushing. Guys, anyone that comes on December 25th will get 50% off on sugar. But you know that they're not gonna come just for sugar, right? Like, they're probably gonna buy some ketchup with it too. They're probably gonna need a USB stick too. I don't know. But once they're in the door, they're gonna buy more than just sugar. And that's exactly how you make money from